UN experts have expressed alarm at the heavy security-driven approach of Sri Lanka's anti-drug initiative and called on authorities to immediately suspend the ongoing Yukthiya operation and focus on policies based on health and human rights. In a statement issued by the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, the UN stated that drug users have human rights and added that they deserve to live a life with dignity without facing further discrimination and stigmatization. Experts stated that they deplored the reported cases of arbitrary arrests of thousands of drug offenders from marginalized socio-economic groups and the detention of hundreds at compulsory military-run rehabilitation centers. While adding that torture and ill-treatment was also reported during the Yukthiya operation, UN experts are of the view that the current context of severe repression against suspected drug offenders is deeply worrying. They stress that rehabilitation must be conducted from a harm reduction perspective, respecting the autonomy and informed consent of drug users, including the right to refuse medication. While expressing their readiness to provide technical cooperation, the experts said that compulsory rehabilitation centers should be closed immediately and replaced by voluntary, evidence-based, rights-based, and community-based social services. They further urged the Sri Lankan authorities to investigate thoroughly and impartially any allegations of torture, ill-treatment and denial of due process and fair trial rights, and added that irregularities in the judicial process of assigning offenders to rehabilitation centers should also be investigated. They called on the government to review its current legislation on drug offences and to end the involvement of armed forces in drug control and treatment activities in line with international human rights law and standards.